Ready, Freddie?
I am ready,
Let's go.
Juliet. Unreal. Baby, I forgot where we are. Oh, hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Today is a special day. Why is it a special day, Isabel?
Because we are gonna rent bikes and we're gonna explore Bocas town or Bocas del Toro.
Yes, the beautiful, beautiful place that we've been staying at for a little while now. We want to show it to you guys in depth. We want to take you around a town which we really enjoy, which we really like. There's not many anchorages where we feel comfortable for months and months, where we're just happy to surf. But Bocas del Toro is one of those towns. It's got a bit of everything, and we love it.
Yeah. So we're gonna take you around our favorite spots and yeah, pretty much show you around the island on bikes. I'm excited. We haven't biked in, I can't remember when.
I haven't biked in ages. Ages and ages.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna find a nice beach as well. Maybe we'll go up to the north spot of the island. Maybe we'll make it because we haven't exercised in a while.
It's alright, they got electric bikes.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I packed a little lunch and
It's gonna be fun. Come along.
ready, Freddie?
I am ready,
Let's go.
Juliet.
Guess I forgot the keys. So funny. We've been preparing to go all morning, and he's like, "Do you have everything? Do you have everything?" He's like, "Yep, yep." And now it's him who forgets the keys. It's all good. I think it's about 10 right now. We wanted to go a little bit sooner because it gets super hot. It's alright. We're not in any rush.
Bocas del Toro was first visited by Christopher Columbus and his crew in 1502. Columbus was looking for a passage from the Caribbean Sea into the Pacific Ocean. Unfortunately, he was 400 years too early, and one did not exist just yet. Okay, so Bocas del Toro is made up of basically one main street, and off this main street there are all these bars and cafes that are on the water, basically. They build the buildings on top of the water. Yeah, I'll show you a few of these bars and cafes right now. We really enjoy them. Just kind of having lunch, having coffee over the water, it really makes for a brilliant day. How are you travelling, darling?
Good. Trying
Sorry?
to find bikes.
Pick up.
Good. We're trying to find bikes.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Bocas is not your typical Caribbean tourist destination. There are no massive hotels lining the beaches or huge resorts covering lots of land. Bocas is embracing development at a slow, laid-back pace, with most accommodation in the form of small boutiques, and local cafes and restaurants are following the same grain.
Babe?
Yeah? Yeah, this is my favourite shot. It's a Tuesday, they're not open. Don't remind me. If they're open every day, they'd have a customer every day.
So what is it?
It's a falafel shop. They do these beautiful falafel wraps, and they're so cheap, and they're so addictive. Oh, you're making me hungry.
This is my favorite shop.
Bocas Gypsy.
Yes.
Why does that not surprise me? Hey, look at you.
Look fast.
Ooh, speed demon. Hey, cutie.
How good's this, eh?
How close can I get?
Ooh. And he's falling over in 3, 2, 1.
This is our first bike ride through Bocas, and I gotta say, it's unreal.
So nice.
Oh, there's waves today. Woo, it's decent. Baby, I forgot where we are. Could you remind me? It's like
something with B. Start with B. Ooh. How are you today?
Ooh, I'm amazing.
Oh, your scar.
Don't tickle Isabel. You
Yes.
will come off second best.
You learned your lesson now, have you?
No.
No?
No, I didn't learn it 2 Christmases ago. I still haven't learnt it now. This bike ride has been absolutely fantastic. Babe?
Yeah, it's awesome. I'm just very hungry now and my blood sugar is kind of low.
We've come up here a few times in a taxi to go surfing at a beach called Bluff. It's a really heavy beach break. But to do this by bicycle is just, yeah, it's another level to like get down here and go slowly and enjoy it. It's quite nice. So that bike ride was pretty nice. The coastline the whole way along from where we are now, which is almost a bluff, back to the main town of Bocas is just pristine. You've got all these new hotels popping up. It's a beautiful, beautiful spot to buy some property and enjoy. Wow!
Hello.
Where do you want to sit? Over here? Ooh! We just had a swim because it is 4,000 degrees and no, I really needed a swim. It was very hot biking around in Bocas. It's not the best beach, I mean it was super shallow where we just were. But even though it was super, super nice, and now we're gonna have some food. I made, it's pretty much leftovers from yesterday. I made some wraps with potato bakes and salad in them. Let's see if he likes it.
Hey cutie. You finding any good shells?
I'm gonna make a necklace for my friends here, Camilla and Sandra. We're gonna sail away from them pretty soon and I just wanted to make them a little something.
Beautiful.
This looks better when we're surfing.
It's got our name on it. Oh, hello. My goodness, yes. Si, señorita. Isabel.
Look, Karen, no legs.
Wow! Isabel, do you think it's safe to be riding a bike semi-intoxicated?
I've had 1 beer.
2 beers. Don't lie.
I thought we censored that out.
Now.
I'm not riding as quick as we did before. We're taking some precautions.
I think we're riding quicker, if anything. The real question you should be asking is, do you think it's wise to be going on the bicycle after 2 beers and filming with one hand and riding with the other?
Yes, Karen, that question.
Nah, having a great time.